Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to change date of birth on Cash App. So first of all, you need to open your Cash App, and in the beginning, I will tell you that there is no direct way to change your date of birth. So you need to do the simple thing. You need to click your profile icon on the top right, scroll down until you will see support, click the support. Then in the search, you need to search for something like personal information. For example, you can go to edit personal information right here. So there are some options, but as you can see, there is no nothing about to change date of birth. So we can use the chat. We can directly contact the Cash App support. And right here, we need to explain the issue that we have got the problem. We need to change date of birth. They will ask you some information for the verification. So you need to provide this information, and finally they will change your date of birth, guys. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.